The world's first and only 4-bore suppressor. This is a Christian Firearms Jones underlever single shot 4-bore, which has been threaded to fit this massive suppressor on it. This thing is 13 inches long, weighs almost 8 pounds, so it's very front heavy, and is about 3.5 inches in diameter. So we're gonna shoot the regular falling block 4-bore first with a full power round, and then we will shoot the suppressed 4-bore. And now we are gonna shoot the suppressed 4-bore with subsonic 4-bore rounds.